Hello again, guys. Today we're here next to this pretty river. I'm going to unbox and review this new pump that I got from OutdoorMaster. People who follow me would know that I have a kayak and an inflatable kayak, and I always use my OutdoorMaster Shark 2S pump to inflate it and deflate it. So OutdoorMaster has sent me this new Shark 3 pump, new and improved. It inflates items about half the speed of the other one. So let's see what we got in here. Okay. So we have a hose with all the different nozzles for paddle boards, kites, inflatable tents, kayaks, inflatable boats, whatever you need. All kinds of, even air mattresses, all kinds of nozzles. You have the hose and the pump. OutdoorMaster Shark 3 pump. And this time it comes with a handle, little strap you can carry. It's got suction cups, so if you put it on a flat surface it won't move. It has inflate and deflate ports here. So of course you connect your hose like so to the inflate. If you're gonna inflate your whatever, your boat or kayak, and then when you're ready to deflate it, you will switch it over to this side. So here there's a little cover. Open this up. So this is the USB-C, and this can give you power out to a phone or anything you want to charge, small, or maybe even a laptop, a GoPro, some camera, so you can charge it, or you can connect this onto the wall or to your car and charge the pump. And the other one is this for your car, cigarette lighter attachment. This one will go in this connector here where it says DC input, and you can charge this pump from your car. It also has a little manual, stand-up paddleboard electric air pump, and it comes in different languages. The way this works, this is the power button. It turns on the pump. Also, when you're ready, after you set the pressure, you hold the button in. Excuse the mosquitoes, full of mosquitoes here. So, okay, for example, I put 6.5, and then when I'm ready, I press this button. Of course, this would be connected to your device, your item that you're trying to pump up or inflate. And eventually, you're going to see this climb. Just before it's fully inflated, stage 2 kicks in, and you're going to hear a sound like a compressor starting, like ta 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 ta. If you look at my other videos, in future you're going to see me filling up the kayak, and you'll understand what I'm talking about. So anyway, this shuts it off. I have the Shark 2 here. I'm going to show you for comparison. So you guys are familiar with this one. This one, the one I've been using since last year. It's a really good pump. Power's here too. Basically, it works the same way. The pressures here is plus and minus. And this is the power button, on and off. This one here, I didn't cover this one. It's the same on the other one. This is to change between paddleboard, tent, kite, anything that, or air mattress for like the beach. So you can select what kind of item you're inflating with this button here. This one's for pressure, plus and minus, and this one here is your power. So the difference between this pump and this pump, this one is more streamlined, flat, has a built-in handle. This one's a little bit beefier, a little bit bigger, but it inflates anything half the speed of, twice the speed as this one. So it's faster. What I found is it's a little bit noisier, the compressor part, than this one here. But other than that, it works really well. And I will demonstrate in my following videos. You're gonna see what I mean. So for now, I guess this concludes the unboxing. Once I post the video, I'm going to put a link in the description for any one of you that wants a discount. You can order it from OutdoorMaster and you get a 15% discount on the price. So stay tuned and hope you buy it and you like it. Until next time, keep safe, enjoy the outdoors, have fun, keep camping, and see you for now. Bye.